Hello, I'm Ana Silva, and I want to welcome you aboard a luxury, high-performing bow rider that combines style, comfort, power, and legendary reputation. This is the Cobalt R31 Outboard. Whether you're cruising, entertaining, or enjoying water sports, the R31 has something for everyone. Let's start with the specs of the boat. The length overall, including the swim platform, is 32 feet, 8 inches. The beam is 9 feet, 10 inches. The bridge clearance with a hardtop is 9 feet, 1 inch. The boat is going to draft in 25 inches, and the dry weight, including the motors, is 11,600 pounds, with a fuel capacity of 160 gallons. Here at the bow of the Cobalt R31, you'll find an oversized sitting area with deep, secured lounges and plush upholstery true to Cobalt comfort. Stainless steel handrails and flip-down armrests make this an ideal place to unwind while underway or at anchor. Storage is integrated beneath every seat base. At the very front, the anchor locker features a windlass system for effortless hand-free anchoring. As we move aft, the wide walkway and generous freeboard make it easy and safe to be able to transition from the bow into the main cockpit area. The windshield can be closed to block wind on cooler days, and with the bifolding door below, you can create a fully protected helm area. Just ahead of the port side passenger seat is a beautifully integrated compact galley. It's an ideal place for entertaining and preparing afternoon snacks. Here at the helm, the captain enjoys a premium ergonomic command center, twin Garmin displays providing navigation, engine information, and full system control at a glance. The digital throttles and joystick system make handling this 31-foot boat incredibly smooth, even in tight docking situations. On the starboard side, inside of the helm is an elegantly finished head compartment. It features a vacuum flush toilet with macerator, along with premium materials and refined details that enhance both comfort and convenience on board. Moving to the heart of the boat, the cockpit showcases one of the R31's most impressive features. Its expansive, thoughtfully designed seating layout. The wraparound lounges create a welcoming social space with room for everyone on board. Premium multi-density foam, double-stitched upholstery, and Cobalt's renowned ergonomics ensures unmatched comfort, whether you're cruising, dining, or even enjoying water sports. A removable dinette table quickly converts this area into a comfortable dining space. Above the sleek hardtop provides excellent sunshade while maintaining an open, airy feel. Integrated LED lighting, overhead speakers, and an optional shade elevate both style and function, creating a refined on-water atmosphere day or night. Moving to the aft, the transom lounge offers multi-seat configurations. With its adjustable backrest and convertible layout, it transitions effortlessly from forward-facing bench to an aft-facing seat or expanded sun pad. It's the ideal spot for relaxing, watching swimmers, or unwinding at the sandbar. This R31 is powered by twin Yamaha 350 outboards, delivering strong and effortless acceleration and remarkably smooth cruising performance. Paired with Cobalt's legendary deep V hull design, the ride is exceptionally stable, quiet, and confident in a wide range of conditions. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Cobalt R31 Outboard. With its luxury amenities, versatile layout, and exceptional performance, it's the perfect boat for Southwest Florida. Whether you're cruising the Intercoastal, exploring the islands, or enjoying a day at the sandbar. If you'd like to learn more about this boat, explore options, or schedule a sea trial, we'd love to assist you. I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse. Let's go make some waves together.